For the circuit in figure, find V1 and V2 using nodal analysis. We have to find this V1 and this V2 in this circuit. Solution. First of all, we will redraw the circuit. Then let's assume this is node 3 with voltage V3. Now between these two nodes there is a voltage source, so this is a super node. This forms a super node. Now let's assume the direction of current. Let's say this is current I1, this is current I2, this is current I3. Now we will apply KCL at node V1. Apply KCL at node V1. So at node V1, entering current is 3 ampere. 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 is equal to leaving current is I1 plus I2. I1 plus I2. So this will be 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 is equal to I1. Now this I1 is equal to V1 minus V3 by 2K. V1 minus V3 by 2K means 2000 plus I2. I2 is V1 minus V2 by 4K. V1 minus V2 by 4K means 4000. Now if we simplify this, so this will be 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 is equal to V1 by 2000 minus V3 by 2000 plus V1 by 4000 minus V2 by 4000. So 3 into minus 3 is equal to, this will be V1 by 2000 plus V1 by 4000. 1 by 2000 plus 1 by 4000. 3 by 4000. 3 by 4000 V1. And this will be minus V4000 and this will be minus V3 by 2000. Let's say this is equation number 1. Next, apply KCL at this super node. Apply KCL at super node. So at this super node, entering current is I1 plus I2. I1 plus I2 is the entering current and leaving current is I3. I1 is V1 minus V3 by 2K. V1 minus V3 by 2000. I2. I2 is V1 minus V2 by 4K. V1 minus V2 by 4K, 4000 is equal to I3. I3 is V2 minus 0 by 1K. V2 minus 0 by 1K means 1000. So this will be 1 by 2000 minus V3 by 2000 plus V1 by 4000 minus V2 by 4000. This V2 by 1000 will go on left side, so this will be minus V2 by 1000 is equal to 0. Now if we simplify this, so this will be 1 by 2000 plus 1 by 4000 is equal to 3 by 4000. 3 by 4000 V1, and this V2 minus 1 by 4000 minus 1 by 4000 minus 1 by 1000 minus 1 by 800 minus 1 by 800 V2 will be minus V3 by 2000 is equal to 0. Let's say this is equation number 2. Next we will apply, this is loop number 1, loop number 1, loop 1. This will be positive negative V3, and this will be positive negative V2. So let's say we will start from this point. Apply KVL to loop number 1. So this will be minus V3 minus V3 minus 3VO minus 3VO plus V2 is equal to 0, plus V2 is equal to 0. But this VO is equal to V2 because this is connected to ground, so this VO is equal to V2 is equal to V2. Therefore this will be minus V3 minus 3 V2 plus V2 is equal to 0. So this will be minus V3, then this minus 3 plus 1 will be minus 2 V2 is equal to 0. From this we can say that V3 is equal to minus 2 V2. V3 is equal to minus 2 V2. Now we will substitute this value in equation number 1 and equation number 2. So this will be 3 by 4000 V1 minus V2 by 4000 minus this V3 is replaced by minus 2 V2 by 2000 is equal to this 3 into 10 raised to minus 3. Now if we simplify this, this will be 3 by 4000 V1, and this will be minus 1 by 4000 minus 2 by 2000. So this will be 3 by 4000. plus 3 by 4000 is equal to 3 into 10 raised to minus 3. Now let's say also this is V2. Let's say this is equation number A. Now similarly we will change the value of V3. V3 is equal to minus 2V2. So this will be 3 by 1000 V1 minus 1 by 800 1 by 800 V2 minus this V3 is replaced by minus 2 V2 minus 2 V2 by 2000 is equal to 0. So this will be 3 by 4000 V1 and this will be minus 1 by 800 minus 2 by 2000 minus 1 by 4000 minus 1 by 4000 is equal to 0. Let's say this is equation number B. Now solving equation A and B, we get mod 5 1. This will be 3 by 4000 3 by 4000 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 3 into 10 raised to minus 3. Then equation number B, 3 by 4000 minus 1 by 4000 0. So V1 is equal to 1 volt and V2 is equal to 3 volt. Also we can find the value of V3. V3 is minus 2 V2. Minus 2 V2 is equal to minus 2 into 3. So this will be minus 6 volt. V3 is equal to minus 6 volt. What we have to find? We have to find V1 and V2 using nodal analysis. This is V1 is equal to 1 volt and V2 is equal to 3 volt. For electrical and electronics engineering related questions and answers, visit the link in the description below.